right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do kind of a quick get ready with me. I'm just doing my hair, and then I'll show you guys a really easy eye look that I do, as well as lip looks. One of my go-to, like it's in the rotation of a go-to look that I love to do when I don't really know what to do with myself and I just need to look pretty decent. And the hair that I'm wearing is from Nadula hair. I do have a video on how I made this wig, because I did make this wig myself. I will link that down below for you guys. I have in 3 bundles of 18-inch Brazilian body wave with a 16-inch closure from Nadula hair, and I am in love with this wig. I'm in love with this hair. I love the length on it. I don't know, I just like the whole overall vibe that it gave me. And so anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how I styled it. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's just go ahead and get started. I am just going to be doing a really simple makeup look. I already have my foundation, concealer, brows on. So today I really just wanted to kind of just focus on a topic, and that is dealing with your insecurity. I don't know, I have different ways of how I handle mine, and I want you guys to know that I am not perfect. I have major insecurities myself, and I don't know, I just want to maybe help someone out there. I'm tired today. So this is a wig that I'm going to be wearing. It is from Nadula hair. I made this wig. I do have a video on this wig, so I'll put that down in the description box for you so that you'll have it. But this is 3 bundles of 18-inch body waves. I'm just going to quickly style this hair, finish my makeup, and chat it up with you guys. This is a closure wig that I am wearing, so I'm just wiping off a little bit of the makeup right here. I have been loving how I apply the Got To Be glue. So I start with like a super thin layer, kind of as thin as possible. You don't want it too thin, but you definitely don't need it too thick. And I'm gonna blow dry that down. So then I'm just gonna do 1 layer of free spray on top of that, and then I'll blow dry that down and then put my wig on. Oh yeah, I really like this hair. This is probably one of my favorite wigs so far that I have made. It's been such a long time since I made a wig. A few of my insecurities, let's just start there, because I'm sure you guys really want to know. The first one that I have is, of course, probably many people's, and that is going to be my weight. Not including pregnancy, this is the heaviest I have ever weighed. And up until, you know, I got pregnant, my heaviest that I've ever weighed my entire 29 years was about 127 pounds. Then I got pregnant with Isaiah, and I gained about 40 pounds pregnant with him. And since having him, my smallest weight that I hit last year, the way beginning of last year, was 139 pounds. And I've gained that back, and so yeah. So that's number 1, is going to be my weight. Number 2, underneath my eyes, is a huge issue for me. I'm very insecure about underneath my eyes. I feel like it really just came from, to be honest, motherhood and lack of sleep. I am dying to get fillers. So I've been wanting fillers now for over a year, but as far as like really considering them and actually doing research, and now I think I'm really gonna do it, I've like really been serious probably the past 6 months. So if you're in Houston and you know of a really good doctor that you would recommend that does any kind of dermal fillers or anything like that, please let me know. Third, it's still, I mean, it kind of ties into my weight. Really insecure about my arms and my legs and my midsection, so pretty much my entire body. So that's really just 2 things. So those are my biggest issues right now. And like, as far as how I deal with I guess my insecurities on a day-to-day basis, it's not easy. it's really not easy because I am, you know, on social media and I am on YouTube for everyone to sit and criticize me and this, that, and the other. And you've got to be really confident within yourself. So it doesn't really get me down too much, but it gets me down enough some days. So I'm just not the kind of person really to sit and, you know, cry about certain things or be super depressed about certain things. For instance, my weight, or the fact that I'm cracking underneath my eyes and I would like some fillers. It's not really much I could do, for instance, about my fillers at the moment as far as like getting them done, because it costs money and I just don't have the money right now. That's something that I'm just gonna have to save for, because it's not a necessity for me, it's a luxury, you know, if I could even get it done, and even if I go about getting it done. And for me, it's not wanting to be super skinny, wanting to go back to 127 pounds. I don't want to do that. That's not what I'm after. I would like to lose like 20 pounds, and 20 to 25. But first, I'm just gonna stick with 5. I'm just gonna start small. Just have been dealing with it. It's really just, I mean, being happy with what I do have and my looks, period, and just remaining as confident as I can possibly be. I think that's my one thing that I am pretty good at. And believe it or not, when I was younger, it's gonna be a whole shock to you guys, I was the most, what's the word, conceited person like ever. It was just ridiculous, you guys. Yeah, I've definitely changed. I'm not that person anymore. However, that Janaea has really helped me now that I am a mother. I've gained weight. This body is, you know, it's just, I'm still feeling out of my element even 3 years after having Isaiah. I felt like that plays a huge role in who I am now and how I can handle things. But let me go ahead and finish my hair. So I just did something very simple on my eyes, you guys. I just took the Modern Renaissance palette and I used raw sienna and golden ochre. That's it. And then I took a little bit of the Anastasia, whatever, contour kit, and I have mine in medium to tan, and I took that middle shade. So you just need a darker brown shade, and I just popped that like on the outer corners. I popped on these lashes. These are Ardell Lashes in 854. They're the 3D faux mink lashes in 854 with a little liner. And that's it. That is my quick eye makeup for today. What I have been doing as far as weight loss too is, of course, I've just now started going back to the gym, but I've been ordering some meals, and let me touch on that really quickly too. It's not the easiest to meal prep. It's certainly not easy for me. Ordering my meals from, if you're here in Houston, there's a place, a delivery service called Fab and Fit Foods, and so I've been ordering some meals from them, not every single week because I can't do it every single week. And sometimes when I can get caught up with, you know, editing and recording and all that kind of stuff, I just forget to eat, which is not great either, especially if you're trying to lose weight, because then, you know, you just don't have that energy because you haven't eaten, and then I'm tired, and then people are telling me how tired I look because the underneath my eyes, and then my insecurities come back, and it's just like a whole cycle. But anyways, so you have to take that into consideration too with these people. Not these people, I hate saying these people because I discount them, but they may have more money than you. They may have more resources available to them than you do. So for instance, like time, for one, you know, it does take time or a schedule or whatever to go to the gym, especially if you are a mom, especially if you know, you work full-time or you work 2 jobs just to, you know, provide for your family. You can't compare yourself. I guess that's the biggest thing that I'm trying to say. It's just, the more I compare myself, I guess, the bigger my insecurities, you know, present themselves and they come out. And if comparison is what the thief of joy. And anyways, all right, so I am just going to curl this hair pretty. I don't want it too curly. I kind of wanted to wear it straight because I've yet to wear it like super straight, but I don't know, I've been kind of liking the shorter length with a little bit of curl to it. And this body wave, like this hair is just, it's super soft, you guys. I've washed it already, and you've got to be careful too with washing your wigs, especially if they are, you know, hot glue gun wigs. I will make a video on how I wash mine and all that kind of stuff, but it curls very nicely. It curls very easily. I just like this hair. It kind of makes me want to get some in like 30 inches. Same body wave closure. So yeah, okay, so now I'm just gonna comb those out. I don't need them to stay, nothing like that. It's got good movement. Look at that body. It's got some good movement. You've got to also, you know, make sure you are surrounding yourself with people who inspire you. You're following people on social media who inspire you. You know, stop following accounts that make you feel like crap, or anything that made me feel like I was a crappy person, or I wasn't, you know, I should be doing this and I'm doing that, or I'm not where I need it to be, or something like that. I just unfollow, because you see that stuff every day. You know what I mean? You go on Instagram, you go on Facebook, you see all this stuff every single day, and that's exhausting to be constantly reminded that you're not enough, even though you are, you know. You have to also remember that people only post on Instagram what they want you to see. I also wanted to quickly say before I finish up is that I don't want to live my life not being happy with who I am, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want to live my life like feeling sad because I just can't lose this weight, when really I haven't went as hard as I possibly could with doing so. Like, to me, life is just too short for me to be so unhappy, for me to not show my arms, you know what I mean, for me to not, you know, wear that bodysuit that I want to wear because I don't want to wear, because I don't like to show my midsection. Like, if I can do something about how I'm feeling, then I'm going to do it. All right, there's my hair. I'm just going to pop some gloss on, you guys. So this is gloss from Lip Gloss by Mel, and she has Craze Cosmetics. It's actually one of my followers, her 11-year-old daughter. They sent me 2 lip glosses. One is in Barbie, and I think this one is in Glamour. That's what I want to say. I'm going to use the Barbie today and pop this on, but they are vegan. I don't know, I just think that's awesome. Like, what was I doing at 11 years old? I wasn't trying to come up with my own company. I was definitely not trying to do that. So shout out to them. I will link her Instagram down below. I'll put that down below. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop that on real fast. I'm gonna change my shirt and I will be right back. All right, guys, so this is my final look. I just put on a t-shirt. Hope this was a okay video. I don't really do get ready with me's, but I love watching them, and I would love to start incorporating them on my channel. It's just very hard to like focus on the topic, plus focus on what I'm doing, plus tell you guys, and then don't lose my train of thought. It's a lot for me, so just bear with me with these videos and know that they will get better. I'll put everything that I am wearing, as in, so all the hair information, all the makeup that I used, that I showed you guys today, I'll put that in the description box so that you'll have it. And yeah, any coupon codes that I have from Nadula, I'll put those in the bottom as well. And I don't know, I hope this was helpful for some of you, at least some person out there, to know that they're not the only ones dealing with stuff. They're not the only person who doesn't like to show their legs or their arms, or they have, you know, a fupa that they're trying to get rid of. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, you know the drill, put it down below and I will answer you as soon as possible. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.